Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Steam missing DLC. So in order to fix missing DLC on Steam, first, you want to ensure that the content is actually checked in your library's properties menu. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your library inside of your Steam. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and head into the DLC tab. So if you don't see the DLC tab, you want to simply go ahead and look for the properties right over here on any games that you want, and this is where all the DLC is going to be shown. Now if it is not the case, then you might also need to simply right click on the game and then simply go to manage and then verify game files, which does solve your problem. However, if that doesn't work, then you might have no other options but to just uninstall and reinstall the game that you want to. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.